Hello my fellow furs, and welcome to the video of all videos, Benji's Unboxing 101. Honestly everyone, never thought I'd get to do this. I never thought I'd get to unbox my first fursuit. I want to thank everyone for overwhelming support. We've gone so far on this channel, we've gone so far on Twitter, we've gone so far in general. I wanted to thank everyone for that. I also want to thank Ira, my fursuit maker. He makes epic fursuits. He helped me so much through the process. I'll leave the link down below to Ira, my fursuit maker. Anyway, with that said, let's go unbox Benji. Here we go! So here is the box that Benji is in, everyone. Honestly, I don't know what to expect. I've never had a fursuit before. I don't know what to expect. Anyway, let's go ahead and open Benji. Honestly, I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous right now, everyone. But this is the box. As you can see, it's green. It has completely different language. That is because my fursuit maker is in Germany. This is all German language, and no, I cannot understand what it says at all. But I got a knife here. I got some water over there if I need it, which I'm probably going to need it because this thing is going to be really hot. I had to change it to a sweater recently because I don't want to have a t-shirt on while I wear a Benji. I'm already pretty darn hard with the sweater on, especially it's like 90 degrees outside. Yes, it's 90 degrees. It's hot. So I'm not going to be wearing Benji for too long. So right now it's in green wrapping, as you can probably see, in green wrapping, but where do I begin? Okay. This must be the tail and paws both. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my wow. Oh wow. This must be the head. Whoa. Okay, yeah. Alright, so this is what they look like inside the green wrapping. This could be like the next step to it, I guess. Let's take them out of their green wrapping now. Oh, wow, okay. So, here are the paws. Oh, wow. They feel really nice. Wow, they feel really nice. I said that. Wow, this is really nice. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to cry, everyone. Well, I just have no. Oh wow. I'm just saying oh wow a lot. So I have like. This is what the paws are like. They're so soft. Oh my gosh. Look at the claws. Those claws are so cool. OMG. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the tail. Here's the tail. The tail is so soft. Oh my gosh. Whoa. So soft. Wow. I might need to brush a little parts of it later, but it's soft. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm in awe. I'm in awe of how beautiful Benji is. Wow. Oh, this is so adorable. This is so adorable. Ira made this badge. He's so adorable. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. Benji. Benji. Gosh. Alright. Time for the head. Let me set these aside. Behold! Benji the Beagle, everyone. He is so beautiful. Wow. Get this right there. Benji's head, Benji's puppies, and Benji's tail. I think what we need to do now is put him on. Don't you guys agree? Yeah, let's put Benji on. So honestly, that was so much fun. OMG, wow. That was just the best thing in the world. So in case you're wondering, Benji's character is cute as can be. He loves to dance. So if you guys are wondering, I will be making some fursuit dance videos in the future with Benji here. I'll also make some cute videos like I did, a little cute example there. I'll make some cute videos like that as well. Hope you guys do enjoy that. Will be making Benji videos probably from now on out. So if you like videos with me in them, there won't be many of those anymore. There'll be mainly videos with this cutie. So it will be mainly videos with Benji. So I do hope you enjoy that. I do have a lot of plans with videos in the near future with Benji. I am sorry with the hiatus, but I really wanted to get Benji. I've been looking for a fursuit like him for quite a while. Again, thank you all so much for supporting me. This has been a lot of fun. I definitely am so happy I got Benji. I was not expecting this to be so awesome. Thank you all so much again for supporting me. If you did enjoy this video and want to see more videos with Benji here, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you are new. Of course, don't forget to hit notifications, that way you can be notified to see more videos with Benji here. I hope you guys have a great day and many more to come. Bye-bye!